never understand the things that we want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm just gonna say I have still got a cold and a cough, so my voice sounds really funky, but we're gonna breathe straight through it, and we're just gonna make sure that we're making some videos because I'm not gonna let this cold and sore throat and cough and husky voice get the better of me. Today's video is going to be my first ever Amazon haul. I've got so many different things to show you, predominantly a lot of stuff to do with the home, but I have got some like fun like organisation stuff as well. So if you're new to my channel, then hello, welcome, please subscribe, make sure you hit the notifications button and a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. I do post pretty much every single Sunday, and let me know in the comments down below if you've got any particular video requests you would like to see me do. I also do vlogs with my husband as well, Jed, and I've actually just recently filmed a Q&A. In fact, I'm in the same outfit. Yes, I'm an outfit repeater, but I am wearing the same outfit from that because I've just filmed that video and now I'm going to film this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below for you guys, so if you're interested in buying any of these things, you'll be able to click on the links. So let's get started. I also might just quickly add that the lighting is horrendous. It is absolutely tipping it down outside, and yet it is only 1:45 in the afternoon on a Saturday, and yet it's literally like black outside. So we've got all the different sort of lightings going on here, so hopefully you'll be able to see everything nice and clearly. The first lot that I'm gonna show you is one massive box full of so much organisation. So from that I am going to do an organisational video of our kitchen cupboards. So basically I bought loads of the OXO Good Grip containers. So I've actually bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've already got one in the kitchen, 9. So I've actually got 9 different types of the OXO Good Grips. These are the slightly older model. So if I show you, this is what they look like, and they've just got the click top here. They are quite pricey, but on Amazon what's really good is that a lot of them are actually slightly cheaper. So every single one of them is like a couple of pounds cheaper than you'd get if you bought them in like Dunelm, or if you actually bought them in America from like the Container Store and stuff. These were actually a little bit cheaper. I've got lots of variety of sizes, so I have got some of the bigger ones, which is really good for like your pastas. It's really good for maybe some cereal, some like oats or something you don't use too often. I have got like these ones, which I freaking love so much. I'm actually going to buy another one of these, so you will see one of those going in when I do the organisational video. I got 4 of these littler ones, so these were the 0.9 I think. Yeah, the 0.9 litre, which I think are really good for like all like your lentils and your rices and things. I got this taller one here, and then this slightly shorter but longer one, and then like I said I've got this tall one, but I got 2 of these tall ones. So I'm not going to take every single one out of the plastic. You get the grip, you get the idea of what they are like, but they are literally just a click top nice sealed container. They are BPA free, which is really important to me. So these are something that I think will last a really, really long time, and I cannot wait to organise my kitchen cupboard, and I will share that with you guys and how I've organised it and how I've picked the sizes of what I need and stuff. So I will show you in that video, so make sure you subscribe for that. Obviously you can't be getting organisational stuff without having a label maker. So this is the Dymo Letra Tag personal label maker. It does actually come with the tape itself, but this was the white backed one and I didn't want it to be white, I wanted it to be clear, so I did actually buy a separate one as well. These weren't the cheapest either. These are a couple of things I've been buying over a couple of purchases. I didn't buy every single thing in one hit because that would have cost a fortune, but this had some really good reviews, and I've seen loads of people use this as well in different organisational videos and stuff on YouTube, so I did think this will be a really good one. I'm super excited to try these out, super excited. Please let me know if you're also an organisational nerd like me, because I can't wait to get in the kitchen to sort this. The other thing that I've bought for organisation stuff is actually this spice rack. Now, I'm not actually going to use the rack itself. I actually am just going to use the actual jars themselves. Now, what I really liked about this was that they had the little shaker bit on the top. Some of the ones I ended up looking at didn't have the little shakers, so they did come with labels themselves, but obviously, like I said, I'm going to use my label maker for these. but each one is individually wrapped in bubble wrap, so quite a lot of plastic. But I am going to keep all of it. For those of you who don't know, obviously Jed and I will hopefully be moving next year. It kind of all went out the window, but there's a video if you want to see kind of the whole moving drama. I will link that down below and just up in the top corner. So I am keeping any boxes and plastic so that I can reuse it for when we move, but these are the little glass jars, and they have just got the little shaker tops, but you can pop them off as well if you didn't want them. So things like for my chili flakes and stuff, that would be too, they wouldn't fit through those little holes, so I'll need to take it off. But it does come in the silver rack that is shown in the picture, but I'm literally just going to take them out and just put them into the cupboard. But the rack was handy, but I couldn't find actually the right size for them to fit into my cupboard with the right amount that I needed for the spices that had the shaker top. Actually, it was really difficult to find, so I was really happy that I found these, and they were quite reasonably priced as well. I also invested in a wooden chopping board. So this is probably a little bit more for show, to be honest, and because we were going to be moving and obviously everything fell through, the kitchen itself was actually all white, so it was going to be all white cupboards, marble countertops and everything. So that was the plan. So we started buying some of this stuff planning for that kitchen, but obviously where that did all fall through, but it's still the same vision of kitchen that I want when we do move. That hasn't changed. So the stuff that obviously I'm showing you I'm still using, but this is a premium organic bamboo chopping board, 100% natural, durable service for all types of food preparation, knife friendly service, natural, sustainable and eco-friendly, an all-round drip groove to prevent spillage, moisture resistance and easy to clean and odour resistant. So sounds like a pretty fabulous, you can see the ring light, fabulous board if you ask me. And it's got the little hand grips as well just at either end of it. But I really liked that because obviously it was like organic and it was all natural. Jed and I don't eat meat, we are vegetarians, so I'm not going to be chopping meat or anything on that, which is obviously something that I did used to worry about when I would get a wooden board, but that's not going to be a problem with that one because it's mainly just going to be like veggies and stuff that we're going to use with this. The next thing is actually a food display for like buffets and things. So every Christmas Jed and I always have both families over, and Jed's younger brother's got a girlfriend now, which is really exciting. So she did come over last year, but we're hopefully have all of them back over again this year, and I like having lots of varieties to put all of the buffet food on. So we always have like the games and stuff like that. And something I've got here is actually a 2-tiered wooden stand. Now it is in this box and it is something I have to make up, so I will insert a picture into the screen so you can actually see what it looks like, because, well, let's face it, like, you just can't see what it's going to be like. In fact, do they have a little picture? No, they don't. I just really love buying display like food things. I don't know why, I just really love it. I like having like the long like platter ones. I love having the different tin ones. I like having all the different like woods and slates and like china and stuff. I don't know if anyone else really likes to dress up a table for a buffet, but I really like doing it. So, and this as well, I think it was only like $19.99, like it really wasn't too expensive. So I will, like I said, have inserted a picture so you can see actually what this looks like. One of the other things, which is kind of random, it's not linked to any of the home stuff, was I got a new book. So I always like to have a book on the go, and throughout the time that we were meant to be moving, all the books got packed away and we didn't actually read for a few months. And since we've unpacked the house again, Jed and I were saying that like we really wanted to get back into reading. I'm currently reading the Girl Boss book. It's taken me like forever to read this book because I've been so stop-start, but I wanted to get a new book for when it finished. And this is the You Are a Badass at Making Money, and loads of people have raved about this. Now there's loads of like ebooks and stuff on them, but I actually really like to sit and just read, and because we're going away in January I did think this would be a good book to read on the plane and also when we're on the beach and stuff. So I have purchased this and loads of people have raved about it. So it was a New York bestseller. Apparently it's a life-changing guide to making the kind of money you've always dreamed of. So, and I am more than happy to learn about how to make more money. So, gonna read that. The next I'm going to show you, this is the one thing that's not with Amazon, but I thought you'd be really interested to see it because you can buy them on Amazon, and I nearly did get them on Amazon, but they weren't on Amazon Prime and I wanted them quite quickly. So I actually found them at Dunelm a little bit cheaper, but you can get them on Amazon, so I wanted to show you them anyway. But they're the Wham Studio, just these plastic white containers. It was around about like £15, I think, for about 5 of them. That was free postage, but it wasn't with Prime, so I was gonna have to wait like a week for them to come. So I did search up the company because the size and everything was absolutely perfect for the drawers I want them to go in. So I did search up to see if they were anywhere else, and they were at Dunelm, and they were £2 a container. So I do actually have 5 of them. So a tenner, so I saved a fiver and got them immediately. So that was actually a bit of a win-win. But if you don't have a Dunelm or you can't get them anywhere else, this is just what all of them are like, with the little handles on the side, then I will still link them down below that you can get them on Amazon. So that's pretty much everything that I've recently got from Amazon, you guys. I have actually got a lot of random stuff that we bought for the house, so I could do a homeware haul, so do let me know if you want me to do just like a general homeware haul of lots of like ornamental kind of things and accessories and stuff like that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you've liked it, and make sure you subscribe for future homeware and organisational videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are